Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem you can't upload your story to your Facebook. So how I can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to check your network. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you use cellular data, just open cellular data. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try also to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait a few seconds and just power phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your app. So just go to Facebook, to App Store, just find in the storage Facebook, and if you see update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.